Are you tired of fake promises about making money online? You know what I'm talking about, the flashy screenshots of Shopify earnings, the easy $1,000 a day schemes, and all those so-called gurus who make it sound effortless. The truth is, most of those methods either don't work or are built to waste your time. But here's the good news. Making real money online in 2025 is possible, if you focus on legitimate strategies that actually generate income. Today, we're going to cover real methods to create passive income streams and even full-time businesses without falling for gimmicks. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried and failed before, this guide will give you actionable steps you can start implementing right now. I've personally experimented with multiple ways to make money online, from dropshipping and print on demand to affiliate marketing, digital products, and even AI automation. Some methods worked, some didn't, but by learning from both, I've discovered what truly produces results. In this video, I'll share these experiences with you and explain exactly how you can replicate them. Step 1. Dropshipping. Let's start with dropshipping, one of the most accessible ways to start an online business. In dropshipping, you sell products to customers without holding inventory. Essentially, you act as the middleman. You set up an online store, take orders, and your supplier ships the products directly to your customers. The beauty of dropshipping is that it requires minimal upfront investment. You don't need a warehouse, you don't need to buy hundreds of products in advance, and you can run the business from anywhere. However, dropshipping isn't just about creating a store and waiting for sales. Success depends on several factors. 1. Choosing the right niche. Instead of trying to sell everything, focus on a specific market. Look for products that solve problems or cater to a passionate audience. For example, fitness gadgets, eco-friendly products, or pet accessories often perform well. 2. Researching trending products. Use tools like Google Trends, TikTok, and Shopify research apps to see what products are gaining popularity. Products with high demand and low competition are the sweet spot. 3. Building a trustworthy store. Use platforms like Shopify or Wix. Make your website professional, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Include detailed product descriptions, reviews, and quality images. 4. Marketing effectively. Running a store without promotion is like opening a restaurant in the desert. Use social media ads, influencer partnerships, and content marketing to reach your audience. TikTok and Instagram are especially powerful for visual products. Let's take a practical example. Suppose you identify reusable water bottles as a trending product. You could set up a Shopify store, source bottles from a reliable supplier, create a TikTok campaign showing the benefits, and start generating sales without ever touching the product yourself. With consistency, testing, and learning from feedback, your dropshipping store can become a legitimate income source. Step 2. Print on demand. Next, let's talk about print on demand, a model that combines creativity with automation. Print on demand allows you to sell custom designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or notebooks. The third-party company prints and ships the products for you, so you never need to manage inventory. Why is this so appealing? First, it's low risk. You only pay for the product after a customer places an order. Second, it's flexible. You can experiment with designs, niches, and styles without committing to large quantities. To succeed in print on demand, here's what you should do. 1. Pick your niche. Target a specific audience, such as dog lovers, gamers, or entrepreneurs. A well-defined niche makes marketing easier. 2. Create unique designs. Use AI tools, Canva, or Photoshop to craft appealing graphics. Your designs should stand out and appeal to your target audience. 3. Choose reliable platforms. Popular print-on-demand services include Printful, Printify, and Teespring. They integrate easily with Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. 4. Promote your products. Use Instagram Reels, Pinterest, or TikTok to showcase your designs. Short, engaging videos showing the product in use often convert better than static images. For instance, imagine creating a line of motivational mugs for entrepreneurs. You design them with inspiring quotes, set them up on your store, and promote them with engaging TikTok videos. When someone buys, the print-on-demand provider handles production and shipping, and you make the profit. Over time, this can become a stable source of passive income. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn money online. With this method, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral link. The key here is trust and authority. You need to build an audience that values your recommendations. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email newsletter. Here's how to start. 1. Choose a niche. Pick a subject that interests you and has monetization potential. Examples include personal finance, fitness, technology, or beauty. 2. Find affiliate programs. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale, and many SaaS products offer affiliate programs. Look for products you genuinely believe in and that match your audience's needs. 3. Create valuable content. Write reviews, tutorials, or comparison guides. Focus on helping your audience make informed decisions rather than just selling. 4. Drive traffic strategically. SEO, social media, and email marketing are excellent ways to attract visitors to your content. Let's say you're passionate about fitness and want to promote home workout equipment. You can create a blog with reviews and tutorials, include affiliate links, and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. Over time, as your content grows, you can generate significant passive income. Step 4. Digital products. Digital products are among the most lucrative ways to make money online. These include ebooks, online courses, templates, and software. The main advantage? You create them once and sell them repeatedly with minimal ongoing costs. Here's how to succeed with digital products. 1. Identify a problem to solve. The most profitable digital products solve specific problems or teach valuable skills. For example, creating a course on how to start a dropshipping store in 2025 could appeal to beginners. 2. Choose a format. Ebooks, video courses, templates, or software. Pick a format that suits your content and audience. 3. Create high-quality content. Invest time in research, design, and presentation. A polished product builds trust and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. 4. Sell on the right platforms. Use marketplaces like Gumroad, Udemy, or Teachable, or sell directly through your website. Imagine creating a comprehensive e-book on freelancing in the gig economy. You write the content, design it professionally, and offer it for sale on your website. Every sale generates income, and as your audience grows, your digital product continues to earn money without additional effort. Step 5. AI automation. AI automation is one of the newest and most exciting ways to make money online in 2025. AI tools can help you streamline workflows, create content, manage social media, and even automate customer service. By reducing repetitive tasks, you can focus on growth and strategy. Here's how to leverage AI. 1. Content creation. Use AI to draft blog posts, video scripts, email campaigns, and social media content. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can save hours of work. 2. Design automation. Tools like Canva's AI or Mid-Journey can generate graphics, logos, and promotional images quickly. 3. Customer engagement. AI chatbots can handle inquiries, provide product recommendations, and increase conversions on your website. 4. Workflow automation. Platforms like Zapier or Make can connect apps, trigger actions, and streamline your online business processes. For example, if you run a dropshipping store, AI can help you write product descriptions, design promotional graphics, and even schedule social media posts automatically. This reduces the time you spend on routine tasks, letting you focus on scaling your business. Putting it all together. To illustrate, let's say your primary method is dropshipping. Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Research trending products in a specific niche. Look for items with high demand and low competition. 2. Set up your online store using Shopify or Wix, leveraging AI tools to generate product descriptions and website copy. 3. Create engaging content to promote your products on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Use short videos and reels to showcase products in action. 4. Automate repetitive tasks with AI tools, like social media posting, customer follow-ups, and email marketing campaigns. 5. Scale your business by analyzing sales data, testing new products, and expanding your marketing efforts. This combination of research, marketing, and automation ensures you're not relying on luck or gimmicks. You're building a real, scalable online business. Key takeaways. Making money online in 2025 is not a myth, but it does require focus, consistency, and strategic thinking. Here's what you should remember. Dropshipping. Minimal upfront costs, scalable, requires marketing and niche research. Print on demand. Flexible, creative, low risk, ideal for designers and content creators. Affiliate marketing. Passive income through recommendations, needs audience building and trust. Digital products. One-time creation, repeated sales, excellent for expertise-based content. AI automation. Saves time, enhances productivity, allows you to focus on growth. The key is to choose methods that resonate with you. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 approaches, master them, and expand over time. Avoid the trap of chasing easy money. Real success comes from consistent action, learning, and adapting. Are you ready to start your online business journey? Take the first step today. 2025 is the year to stop dreaming and start earning real income online. Focus, take action, and make this your breakthrough year.